Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So you guys might be thinking the intro was weird, might think what I've planned up today, but trust me, today is a very special day. So today I actually start working as an appy at Refinish Auto Panel. So a while back we were actually jokingly speaking with Ashraf with regards to coming in, working a little bit, and he actually wholeheartedly agreed to take us on. So today I'm actually starting. It's a Saturday, because obviously I work through the week, so it's going to be a Saturday thing where I come in working on Saturdays, gain a little bit of knowledge. Ashraf is more than willing to, like I said, to take me on, teach me, so I am extremely happy. I'm extremely tired right now, I'm going to be very honest with you, because we've been going late nights, but today we finally get to see what actually happens behind the scenes at a proper panel shop. Not just see, but I'm actually going to be working, so yeah, let's enjoy the day. How weird is it that the first car that I get to work on here at the Refinish Auto Panel is actually Shamil. So I'm actually just putting on all the trim at the moment, like all the beadings we're busy putting on the side skirts. We're gonna pop the hatch on now. So I haven't been vlogging too much, obviously the music is booming, you know, we need to keep the vibes going. We're gonna hoist the hatch on, and then the base plate, everything else. So once we get this one on, then Ashraf's gonna move me on to the next project as well. But yeah, let's check it out.
Like this and built less, I might just say like most for me. When will you forget my past? Got questions asked, you know the story.
So for most part we got everything assembled. Ashraf actually showed me how to put in a windscreen rubber right now without even having to like remove, because I remember the last time they told Shamil he needs to remove his windscreen, but he's actually just fold over and clip in. We just need to work it in a little bit and it's there. As you can see, I fitted the lip, got the lip fitted on the car. The grill, I need bigger tabs once again so I can actually get the grill seated. That's sorted. Side skirt is on, beadings is on. Shamil and I actually had to rework this panel, because when he bought this panel it was already in his chop, so last night we spent time reworking it. Got that seated. We still need to put on the base plate. We even got the rear lip fitted as well. I might just make adjustments here and there afterwards again. Got all the wiring sorted on the inside. Everything's fitted over there. Then over here, welding going on here on this Mark 1. It's all bitchy welding, no? Yeah. But yeah guys, as you can see, look, it's coming together. It's coming together very nicely. It's just a matter, like Ashraf told me, look, it's the small little things that matters when refinishing a car, like literally small finishes. So normally, like when I did with Penelope over there, when I reassemble, or Shamil and I reassemble Penelope, you can actually see like there's a lot of stuff that actually need to be done. And I'm actually learning the proper way to actually take your time when fitting all this, fitting all of that. Yeah, so far I'm definitely learning a lot. Look, for today my job is literally just obviously assembling a car. I didn't come here for the fact that it's Shamil's car that I'm assembling it. This was my task for the day, for today at least. Hopefully next time it goes a bit crazy, but I'm starting small, from the small places, so that I can learn, you know, all the small little things. Then hopefully I can get into some sanding, some prep work, and then so on and so forth. But yeah, look, it's absolutely chill environment, I must say. But nothing goes unnoticed by Ashraf, which is absolutely beautiful, I must say. But yeah, let me get this car done, and then I'll see what Ashraf assigns me after that. Right guys, so it's been like a couple of hours, and sure, I must say Ashraf's attention to detail, something else. Like we were, taillights came out again because we were correcting some things on the side over here, the rubbers on the inside of the boot, things that you're not even going to see, but yeah, fire nice. The work is done guys. I still need to put the grill on like I mentioned. But yeah, I must say it was such a productive day at the Refinish Auto Panel. It might seem like I just came in to do this car, but that wasn't the case. That was the work that Ashraf gave me for today. I mean, look how absolutely beautiful the car looks. Well, Bruce is still busy graphing here. But yeah, it looks so nice. Look at the two of them together. But yeah, we're just gonna go take the car home.